Should I put this song or should I put a regular song? Please play music for me and I'll do it.
Why am I the one who has to play regular music?
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Ah. You ready, Mama? All right.
What are you doing?
There you go. Every day I'm shuffling.
Snene, I just taped you. Snene.
Why do you want me to do it again?
Because I taped you.
Because what?
I taped you.
No! Let me see it.